To change the batteries on your Apple Magic Mouse version 1, you need to flip it over and you need to turn it off by sliding that little switch down. You then need to come to this button here and you just need to get your nail and just push it downwards, like that. That will then release this lid. So then get another nail, push it under there and just lift it up. You then need to remove your batteries, do it from the switch side first, putting a little bit of pressure downwards. And these are AA batteries. Get your replacement ones and you need to put them in negative side first, so just follow the symbols. So push it in that way first, press down and in, and likewise down and in, and you can see positive is both facing up. You then need to get the lid and you need to push it in with the whole side first. So hinge it there and then just push down and just click it into place. Then you can turn it on and you'll find that your Magic Mouse is working again. Thanks for watching.